können nicht alle die ganze Verwandtschaft um sich herum.
And that's the reason why I cannot go to Istanbul at the moment.
It's okay.
And now, did you look at the castle?
Yeah. I went to castle. Helen Kimsey, right?
Yeah.
Everything gold.
Yes.
Everything gold. Blue paint to paint. Yeah.
But you didn't sleep there.
Yeah.
Never.
Yeah, never. So fancy, so
But
fancy.
you had a lot of many castles. And now you go to France. No, you go back to the hall of Queen. Or do you go
Yeah.
to the Women Island?
Yeah, go to Queen. And
To Queen.
my hotel is Pot and Drop. Pot and Drop. Do you know Pot and Drop? Pot and Drop. And Drop. Pot and Drop. No? And what? Near, very near. One
The
station.
hotel is in Queen? No.
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 One station.
Ah, okay.
Pot and Drop. No? No?
How do you write it?
Train for one station.
Ah,
Pot and Drop.
eine Zugstation.
Eine Zugstation von Queen. Was ist denn das dann?
Genau. Was Endorf?
Pot. B-A-D.
Bad
Yeah.
Endorf.
Yeah.
Bad Endorf.
Yeah, that's my
Okay.
hotel. Yeah. Pot and Drop.
Bad Endorf.
Yeah, Pot and Drop. Yeah.
There you have hot
Yeah.
springs.
Yeah.
Bad Endorf.
Okay.
Yeah, Pot and Drop. Yeah.
Bad Endorf.
Yeah,
Bad
Pot and
means
Drop.
Bedding. Bad
What is
bedding?
bed?
Bedding.
not bad.
What is bad?
You can,
Bad
you,
is a bath.
Bath.
you can go
Ah,
bathing.
bath.
and you can
Because
breathe.
we
Bath.
have hot water there, it's good for the health.
And the water comes from the ground. It comes maybe 2,000 meters and it's very hot water.
Is
In
there
your-
have very good hot
yes,
water?
they have hot water in your Bad Endorf.
B-A-D means pot. Bath.
Yes.
And the water is really 3,000 meters from the earth. And it's very hot.
Yeah. Yesterday I went to visit spa, sauna.
Sauna, yeah?
Yeah, I went to. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's very big.
That's why. The Pot and Drop is.
Yeah.
That's why.
Everywhere where you go to for your health, it has bad.
Yeah.
Bad.
Yeah.
It means it's a town or village where you can relax and get massage and bath and everything. And then we call it bad.
Yeah.
And the name of the town is originally Endorf.
And Drop.
And then put bath in the front, Bad Endorf.
Endorf means end of a village.
Really?
End.
Yeah.
And Dorf. And Dorf means village.
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 Town.
Yes.
Little-
It's
a little
town.
yeah.
Little town.
A
Yeah.
little town, not
Yeah.
a big town. A little town.
Yeah.
It's the end of the town.
Bus,
This is
little
bus,
town.
end of the town.
Yeah. Nice meet. Nice meeting.
Yeah.
And so you came here for 3 weeks.
No.
No.
I spent here 3 days.
Only
3
3
days.
days.
Yeah, 3 days.
Not very much.
I will spend time 2 days more.
Yeah.
2 days more. Yeah.
And then, where do you go then?
Neustein Castle. I don't remember the castle name. Neustein. Middle left side near German best castle.
Neuschwanstein.
Yeah, Neuschwanstein.
yeah.
Neuschwanstein. I will go there. Yeah, I will go there.
Yeah, that's very
You have,
famous.
Yeah.
you have the same castle.
No, it's different, but it's also built by Ludwig.
I knew
And the
another castle very near 30 minutes. Hornbeiden Castle. I don't know exactly. Hornbeiden,
Where was it? Where?
very near the castle.
Very near from here.
Yeah. No.
No, from Neuschwanstein.
Neuschwanstein near castle.
Ah, Lindau.
Yeah, Linderhof. Yeah.
It's awesome.
Yeah,
You knew it.
really. I knew it.
Oh.
Yeah. Many German people told me you should go there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's all from the Bavarian king.
Siehst du das Boot? Das haben wir früher auch gesehen.
Yeah.
And when we have been younger,
Very
we
romantic.
were sailing
Very
every
romantic.
weekend on this lake.
We always went by our sailing boat.
Oh, really?
Here around. It was really nice.
I wanna do it. Kayaking. I wanna do it.
Yeah?
Ah, yeah?
Yeah, kayaking.
Kayak.
Yeah, romantic. So romantic. Yeah.
So, here it's very different.
Yeah.
Different to
And-
South Korea.
Very totally different. Yeah.
And after this time here, you go back to South Korea.
Now, when do you go back to Korea?
3 months later. 3
3
months,
months?
later. Yeah.
Okay.
I will more travel 3 months. Yeah.
But this is a very long holiday.
Yeah. Long holiday. Yeah.
Oh.
And where do you want to go? To which country?
Next time?
Next time, Neuschwanstein
Neuschwanstein,
and Austria
Austria?
and Italy.
And Italy.
Yeah.
Ah,
Okay,
so-
Austria, this is Austria.
Yeah,
Really?
Behind,
Yeah?
behind
Here's
the mountains.
Austria.
No, behind the mountains.
Behind the
No,
mountain.
not
Wow.
really. On the middle of the mountain,
Yeah.
Bavaria stops, and on the other side, this is Austria.
Pretty close. Yeah, pretty close.
It's you can go by foot to Austria.
One day.
Yeah.
Walking. Walking.
No.
2 days.
No,
Ja, schon.
it's 1 hour by foot. Then you are in Austria.
Von hier, von
Yeah.
Chiemsee.
Yeah. You only must go on this mountain. It
Here
is
from Kimsey.
maybe it's 3 kilometers away.
3
Only
kilometers.
3,000 meters.
Wo denn? Wo ist der
Ja,
Österreich?
hinter Mittelstadt. Hinter Mittelstadt. Da ist Kitzbühel
Ja,
hinten.
aber du musst erst mal auf Mittelstein
No,
rauf.
you can walk here. It's better because there is no mountain. It is very close. And in Austria, to which town?
Salzburg. Do you go to Salzburg?
No.
Wien? Vienna?
No.
No.
It's very dangerous to sit here because everything can
Yeah,
fall
yeah,
into the
yeah.
water.
I wrote this. I memoed. Innsbruck.
Innsbruck.
Yeah. Innsbruck.
Innsbruck is maybe 60 kilometers away.
Yeah.
No, 60. Not more than 60.
He's liar.
He's a liar. And he's a lawyer. A lawyer
No.
and liar.
It is the same. But it's only 60 kilometers. She thinks 100 from where we live.
Oh, really?
No.
He's being liar.
Okay. No, it isn't very close.
Yeah.
Less
I
than,
think so.
less than 1 hour from here.
I have Euro pass, so I go to. Yeah.
And this all what you can see there, this is all Austria.
But in Austria, you also should go to Salzburg,
Yeah.
Vienna.
But
I
this,
heard it. Salzburg is good. Yeah, I heard
in
it.
former times,
Yeah.
Salzburg was the capital from Bavaria.
Yeah. Gold Castle.
Anlegestelle Brünstock, aussteigende Fahrscheine bitte. Die Chiemsee Schifffahrt und die Mannschaft bedankt sich für den Besuch. Wünschen einen schönen
If we go
Abend.
out, we need a ticket. We must show him the ticket because they only control the ticket when you come back.
Yeah.
And during the day you can drive where you want, but if you go out, you need a ticket.
Yeah.
Or you swim on the other side. Yes.
Wo habe ich es denn? Hier, nimm du
것 같습니다. 또 이렇게 여기
Ticket.
독일 노부부 두 분과 얘기를 나누는데 It's Korean. I make my video. 이렇게 도착했습니다. 즐겁게 대화하니까 또 금방 또 시간이 가네요.